Let's go. I need my Yup. Halal Street Hot Pot. All right, it's the evening here, and oh yeah, hot pot sounds like something really good to have. I can go fungus soup.
Okay.
Everything, the beef, lamb. Look at that. And then, yeah, these are the sauce options. To me, this is how you start the hot pot, is to have the right sauce selections. A little more sesame paste. Got chili oil here. More of that stuff. Oh yeah, got the spice going. Crispy prawn as well. Satay sauce. This right here is a key ingredient as well. Red pepper sauce. Spicy stuff. Cool. Got garlic. Hefty amount of cilantro. Look at that. Fully loaded. I'm gonna make 2 of these. Deuces. Yeah, this is the fungus, and this is the original. Oh. This looks like the beef. That's the lamb. Alright. I think before I start on this, the meats here, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of the vegetables. Straight for the spinach. Lobster ball. This is lamb tripe. Yep, we gotta do the shrimp. Couple clams. Kobe fillet. Fish fillet. These are giant nuggets of fish. Fish cake is always a plus. Yeah. We have everything here. Lamb, beef, the meats, the sauces, which is our important thing to do. Mix it. This is the lamb I'm picking up, and I'm just gonna cook it really quick. Watch that. I think just about right there should do it. There it goes. It's good? Oh, yummy. This is gonna be my first bite here with just the lamb inside of that sauce. Just bathed in that sauce, man. To be honest with you, I really came for the sauce. All right, here we go. My first bite. It is definitely all about the sauce. That satay sauce, the sesame, the cilantro, the shrimp chilies. Oh, just nutty, spicy, and delicious. Wow. And that meat pairs perfect. The lamb, excellent with it. Let's do a beef, and then we'll move on to this tray of goodies right here. And we gotta eat and eat because it is a buffet. That beef cooks quick. I'm actually gonna take it out now, drop in that. Woohoo! Yummy. I love that sauce. I love the cilantro too, but I mentioned it. I love cilantro. Oh yeah. Oh, our meat. That beef, fantastic. You don't have to cook it very long too. I got all kinds of things in this tray here. Put that in there. Fish nuggets, lobster ball, this type of tripe. Slippery. And yes, let's throw some of that lamb in there. All that lamb, yeah. Oh, I love the lamb here. Not gonna take very long for everything to cook here. Lemon and some other things in here too have been already cooked. Yeah. Get a fish nugget. Let's do it. Whew. the must-have sauce for sure. Oh, it's dripping with that sauce. Yes. Oh. Yes. Just bumps up the flavor. Incredible. Kind of grab what you want to grab. Immediately dunk. Amazing sauce. I like that peanut in there too. Oh, yummy. I'm gonna grab that lobster bowl. There's a fish cake right here. I mean, I could have it by itself, but why would I do that? Spongy fish cake. I love that texture. And you know what it is. Tripe? Let's try that. Oh, that was gummy. A little rubbery. That's good too. Oh, there you go. I got the clam. Into the bath you go. Love, love. Wow.
Are you almost done?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a lot of cilantro on this fish cake. Flip ahead. Got it, we got it, we got it. Shrimp in the sauce. Oh yeah. Oh. Add these noodles and the vegetables. And then the spinach. There you go. You good?
Halfway done.
Wow. This spinach should cook rather quickly. Boom. And you know what we do with spinach? Absolutely, you can have it by itself, but why would I do that when I have this glorious sauce selection here? Let's do that. Boom. Pick it up. Oh man. Oh yeah. Do it again. Just soaking it up big time. Here is the lobster ball. Alrighty. One biters. So, we've moved on to the second sauce container, and it's time for me to go to town. Okay, into the sauce. It's all up in that sauce. Here goes the noodle pool. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's the way to do it. Wow. That was it. Halal Street Top Pot here in Newark. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. And as always, enjoy the bite life. Later.